Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Travel and tourism industry going to create 19.4 M jobs in India. WTTC. Salute to the Indian Army. Trishakti Corps rescue over 500 tourists stranded at Nathula. Bhutan targets 3 lakh arrivals for 2024. Expects 50% footfall from India. To promote jungle tourism, Forest Department unveils plan for eco-friendly campsites. US working to reduce visitor visa wait time for Indians after decrease of 75%. Indian embassies abroad to help tourism tick India market to double in 5 years. Domestic tourism to continue its growth, says Pata CEO. One foreigner dead, another missing in Gulmarg avalanche. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.